Welcome to a world where your bedroom becomes more than just a place to sleep. It transforms into a reflection of your personality and style. Today, we embark on a journey through 100 modern bedroom decor ideas. Brace yourself, because we're about to unravel the secrets of bedroom wall design that will not only create a serene sanctuary, but a stylish haven. Let's dive in. Picture this. Modern bedroom decor isn't just about aesthetics. It's about enhancing your daily life, influencing your mood, and elevating your well-being. We're here to discover a space that's not just visually appealing, but functional too. Let's unravel the elements that shape modern bedroom decor. First up, the canvas of your dreams. Color schemes. You've got timeless neutrals, soft grays, soothing beiges, and crisp whites, creating a calm and clean canvas for your bedroom. Now, for the bold spirits, consider vibrant hues like rich blues, energetic yellows, or passionate reds to infuse energy into your space. And for the sophisticated souls, explore the world of monochromatic magic with various shades of a single color, oozing with elegance. If you're a nature lover, think earthy. Forest greens and warm terracottas can cocoon your bedroom in a cozy, nature-inspired aura. Let's add some texture and materials to the mix. Wooden accent walls, rustic or sleek, they bring warmth and a touch of nature into your bedroom. Upholstered walls or fabric panels, these offer luxury and comfort you can sink into. And don't forget exquisite wallpaper patterns. They create stunning focal points, like pieces of art. Time to decorate those walls. Embrace gallery walls, a curated mix of artwork, photographs, and memories that tell your unique story. Or go for a singular, captivating art piece that serves as the star of your bedroom. Mirrors add a touch of glamour and space, making your room appear larger. Let's talk functionality. Think efficient storage, like built-in shelves and underbed drawers, keeping your space organized and serene. Lighting, integrated into the walls or headboard, for that sleek and modern look. And of course, there's the wonder of smart technology, from voice-controlled lighting to climate control systems, enhancing the functionality of your bedroom. Enjoyed our modern bedroom decor ideas? Subscribe for more inspiration. Don't forget to like and share with your loved ones to create stylish bedrooms together. Creative at heart? We've got you covered. Express your artistic side with hand-painted murals, bringing your unique vision to life. Geometric patterns add a modern and artistic flair to your bedroom walls. Hang your favorite plants on the wall, infusing nature into your space. Now, let's talk furniture. Minimalistic furniture with clean lines for that modern, clutter-free look. Or go retro with mid-century modern furniture for a timeless appeal. And for those who seek perfection, custom-made furniture allows you to tailor your bedroom to your exact specifications. Bedding and linens for the ultimate comfort. High-quality bedding for a plush and inviting bed. Layer your bed with throws and pillows for comfort and style. Elevate sophistication with luxurious bed linens in elegant patterns and textures. Ready to transform your bedroom into a modern haven? Dive deeper into the world of modern bedroom decor with our expert tips and inspiration. Discover how to create a space that reflects your style and enhances your well-being. Check description or directly, visit decorance.com and read our full blog and start your journey towards a more stylish and functional bedroom today. Let's bring the outside in. Houseplants for improved air quality and a touch of nature. Vertical gardens can transform your bedroom into a lush oasis. It's all about the light. Pendant lights, both functional and decorative. Chandeliers, the epitome of elegance and a bedroom centerpiece. And LED strips, offering customizable lighting for various moods. The eternal debate, minimalist or eclectic? A minimalist bedroom is uncluttered, with simplicity and functionality taking the lead. On the flip side, an eclectic bedroom is a fusion of styles, creating a vibrant, personalized atmosphere. Those accent walls, they deserve some spotlight. geometric patterns for a contemporary touch. Textured walls, using materials like reclaimed wood or faux brick, adding depth and interest. Don't forget to add your personal touch. Family photographs, artwork, and cherished items that make your bedroom uniquely yours. Now, let's tackle the art of organization. Hidden storage solutions can declutter your space, keeping it sleek and stylish. Multifunctional furniture, like a bed with built-in storage, maximizes space utilization. A well-organized closet can make your morning routine a breeze. Consider custom closet designs that cater to your specific needs. It's the small details that often make the biggest impact. Window treatments, like elegant curtains or sleek blinds, can transform the ambiance of your bedroom. Adding an area rug not only anchors your space, but also introduces warmth and texture. The right accessories, such as decorative cushions, throw blankets, and bedside lamps, can tie the room together. For an immersive experience, think about incorporating soothing soundscapes and pleasant aromas that enhance relaxation and tranquility. In this digital age, a home office nook within your bedroom can be a practical and convenient addition. Your bedroom is not just a place to sleep, it's your personal sanctuary. Quality sleep is crucial for overall well-being. With the right decor, you can create a zen space that promotes relaxation and good sleep hygiene. Inspirational art and quotes can set a positive tone in your bedroom, helping you wake up with a motivated spirit. Cool and calming colors, like soft blues and gentle greens, can help create a soothing atmosphere. The power of lighting cannot be overstated. Consider lighting solutions that simulate natural daylight, promoting a healthy sleep-wake cycle. Adjustable mood lighting can transition your space from a vibrant daytime environment to a relaxing nighttime oasis. Smart lighting controls give you the freedom to set the mood with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. Your bedroom is the cornerstone of your health and well-being. Investing in quality bedding, a comfortable mattress, and ergonomic pillows is an investment in your health and sleep. Indoor air quality can be enhanced by adding air purifiers or simply opening your windows for fresh air. Another way to elevate the atmosphere is by bringing nature inside. Think about placing a vase of fresh flowers on your nightstand or a small potted plant on your windowsill. The presence of nature can be incredibly calming and inspiring. Consider creating a daily ritual that's meaningful to you. It might be as simple as enjoying a cup of herbal tea before bed, reading a few pages of a book, or practicing a brief meditation to clear your mind. Such rituals can help signal to your brain that it's time to unwind. Your bedroom isn't just a place to rest, it's your personal retreat. It's where you start and end your day, and it should be a space that nurtures your body and soul. A well-designed bedroom can enhance the quality of your life in ways you might not even realize. So, dream big when you're decorating your bedroom. Don't be afraid to mix and match styles, colors, and textures. It's a canvas where you're the artist, and the possibilities are endless. Your bedroom should reflect your journey, your dreams, and your aspirations. It's a space where you can be unapologetically yourself, surrounded by things that make you happy and remind you of the beauty in life. Consider how each item in your bedroom holds a special place in your heart. From the photo on your nightstand that brings back cherished memories to the artwork that resonates with your soul, these are not mere decorations, but connections to the moments and people you hold dear. Remember, your bedroom is not a static space. It's a canvas for your evolving self. Don't be afraid to change it as you change and grow. Rearrange furniture, swap out decor, and update the colors to suit your evolving tastes. In the hustle and bustle of life, your bedroom can be a haven of tranquility. Consider adding a comfortable reading nook where you can escape into the pages of a good book, or create a meditation corner to find inner peace. Furthermore, consider turning your bedroom into a sanctuary of wellness. Create a corner for yoga or a small home gym. Prioritizing your physical and mental well-being is an integral part of modern bedroom decor. In the grand finale, remember this: modern bedroom decor isn't just about style, it's about functionality. With the 100 ideas we've explored, you're well on your way to transforming your bedroom into a modern haven. So, go forth and create your personal sanctuary.